what we have here, we got a feisty one on our hands. We got one behind the bushes and we got another one sneaking in for the attack. Neither one are retarded, except maybe the white one who is standing there looking awfully retarded. Attack! Get her! Attack! Get that motherfucker. Tell her, this is your domain. We're not fucking around. Get her! Come on! Get her! God, this is like watching two snails have sex. It is. Not that I'm into that sort of thing, you know. Just Get her. Attack. When is something exciting going to happen? I don't know. The white one looks awfully retarded. Just kind of staring away, not even paying attention to the other cat. At all. There we go. Oh, how anticlimactic. But I guess it was better than nothing.